This December, Lagos will be filled up because of Detty December. A lot of people are coming in from different parts of the world to go to Lagos to enjoy. But there's a problem. There's a high chance that what you came from, you will not go back with it. You might come with a good health, but you'll not go back with a good health. Because as we speak now, there's a lot of people with HIV in Lagos. A lot. So you got to understand. Apart from HIV, we have a lot of infections, but we are going to focus on HIV today. Now, this is the favor I can do for you. I'm saying this because I have a platform, right? Now, there's what we call test kits. Don't be shy. Before you sleep with any girl for Lagos, now one be this. How much do they sell this? They sell this one 4,800. I don't want to do free advice for person. Now I don't show on the carton. I'll show you how they use it. See here. There's a way you use it. Go use on. 4,800 can save you a lot. I'll tell you for free. Not just Lagos. There's a lot of people with HIV in Abuja now, in Port Harcourt and different parts where they get on girl. So this is how everything be open now. Go follow this hole, and then they put blood. It's called test kits. Now this follow number one. It's called alcoholic part. Alcoholic part. Please clean up. That's number two. Shoot on. Okay. Yeah. See, you go break out. Blood on the come out. You can't carry this one. Press on the blood. The blood on the now. 2 minutes. Like I still put more. You say blood now. I'll wait for the result. Then you wait. So after that one, you get with this right thing today. You go use this thing measure on. That same thing where you take measure that and go make the thing go. On the come. This now 4-5 won't save your life. Oh, imagine concerts that they do expect HIV. Online on the come out. Single line, meaning positive and typhoid infection. So like this now, you go dey pray, mean a single line you get. Just you are dey pray for the only men they get. So far so good. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 18, 19, 20, 60 seconds makes a minute. So very that man is HIV negative. I don't have HIV. I go see test the girl. So please do this in Lagos, Abuja, anywhere. Both girl, both man, anybody, shall just check.
Do I need to say more? Do I? I don't talk. Tire. If you're following me, you must be healthy. Whether you like it, you don't like it, now by fire and by force. Now like this video, I beg. It help me. All right. Bye-bye.